Varyence was actually our first investor, and outside the investment, being an investor in our startup, Jason and his team brought a lot of expertise, and him being both our temporary CTO at this stage, at the initial stage of our startup, to also being a mentor, and a business coach, mentor to me, business coach to our startup and the company. And that is very valuable, where I really feel that it's not just the initial investment, it's a true partnership to, enable us to grow together. The reason why I chose to work with Varyence is having somebody like Jason, who is really a source of so much knowledge, and his team, who are, a full in-house power team to any, from technical to marketing to design to finance to operations, is really unique. And, one of the advantages of Varyence is because they work with so many other companies in different fields, that level of expertise is really crucial for somebody like myself, who is a founder starting a new thing. Absolutely, on a scale of 1 to 10, a 12, maybe even more. Highly recommend for both technical, non-technical founders to have somebody like Varyence, Jason and his team, to be in your corner and help you grow your business. They bring to the table not just their expertise in various different fields, but also their involvement in your startup and how they really understand what you're trying to do and help you achieve it. It's invaluable and it's really rare. I really feel like they are part of our company versus an outsider, and that's something I really value, and I would absolutely recommend Varyence.